Welcome to CityView. This is apartment 1X. This is a nice studio apartment located on the first floor of our building. We're only a block off the Commons. On inside you have a nice kitchen with microwave, electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. Off to your right, you'll have a large spacious bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a full shower and tub combo. On into the living space, you'll notice that this unit comes partially furnished with a full-size bed. The rest of the apartment can be furnished as you like it. One unique feature of this building is the high ceilings. This is a south-facing unit, so it does get lots of natural sunlight, even though the view is a little limited. You'll also notice every unit has air conditioning and a heating vent. This unit also has plenty of closet space, and another unique feature of our building is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Rent here in CityView includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for the electricity. High-speed internet's available upon request. Thank you for coming to 1X in our CityView building. Call us today for availability.